What's up guys, welcome back. In this video you will discover how to record calls on WhatsApp. If you still don't subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe. To record WhatsApp calls, we need an app that you will find in the Play Store called Cube Call Recorder. Let's go to the Play Store. Type the name here. Cube Call Recorder. Select the recorder and download it from the Play Store. I have already downloaded this. Let's open the app. You will find a pretty good user interface here. Tap Next for setting the app. Tap Agree. Cube Call Recorder needs this permission to be able to the following: grant permission, allow permission, OK, continue. Go to the Cube ACR menu. From the menu, tap Recording. From Recording menu, tap View IP Recording. Tap I understand. Tap Enable App Connector. Tap OK. VoIP calls clarity improvement. Set it max. Now go to the WhatsApp and call any of your contacts. You will definitely record the calls. Here is the call recording option. By this way, you can record your WhatsApp calls. That's all for today. Hope it was helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and share. Please subscribe to our channel and get connected with us. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.